Here's how to use command prompt like a pro in 2026. And trust me, most Windows users only know 1% of what CMD can actually do. But in this video, I'll show you 10 command prompt commands that are genuinely useful in real-life commands to fix internet problems, close frozen apps, repair Windows errors, check PC specs, and save serious time. And the best part, everything is already built into Windows. No downloads, no extra software. So don't skip, because some of the most useful commands are coming up. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then open command prompt. For advanced commands, right? Click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now let's begin. The first command you should know is taskkill/im chrome.exe/f. Type it and press enter. This instantly closes Google Chrome. If Chrome freezes, stops responding, or refuses to close, this command ends it immediately. You can also replace chrome.exe with apps like discord.exe, steam.exe, notepad.exe. Perfect when programs get stuck. Now let's move on to a command that can instantly fix browsing issues. IPConfig/FlushDNS. Type it and hit enter. This clears your DNS cache. Sometimes Windows stores outdated website data, which can stop pages from loading properly. This command refreshes it instantly. Use it if websites won't open, DNS errors appear, or your internet starts acting strange. Next, here's one of the fastest ways to test your internet ping. Google.com, press enter. This tests your internet connection by sending packets to Google. If replies come back quickly, your connection is working fine. If you get timeouts or packet loss, your network may be unstable. Simple but extremely useful. Now here's a command every Windows user should remember. sfc/scan. Now type it and let it run. This scans Windows system files and automatically repairs corrupted ones. If your PC crashes, features stop working, or Windows feels broken, run this command first. It fixes issues many users never know how to solve. Let's keep going with a command that reveals everything about your PC. SystemInfo, press enter. This gives you full PC information instantly. You can see Windows version, RAM, processor, BIOS info, install date, and more. Perfect for checking specs or planning upgrades. If your computer feels slow, this next command helps immediately. Tasklist, type it and hit enter. This shows every running process on your PC. Background apps, hidden programs, services, everything appears here. Great if your computer feels slow and you want to know why. Now let's check your network details with another useful one. IPConfig, press enter. This shows your network details like IP address, default gateway adapter info. Very useful when Wi-Fi isn't working or you're diagnosing router issues. Here's one many people never use but should Netsh. VLAN, show profiles, type it and press enter. This shows every Wi-Fi network saved on your computer. Useful if you forgot old networks or want to manage saved connections. Now for a smart automation trick that saves time. Shutdown-S-T60. Press enter. This schedules your PC to shut down after 60 seconds. Perfect if you're downloading files and want the computer to turn off automatically later. Need to stop it, type shutdown-A and it cancels instantly. Last main command, and it's great for troubleshooting. Driver query, press enter. This shows installed drivers on your PC. Graphics driver, audio driver, network driver, all listed here. Helpful when troubleshooting hardware problems or checking driver status. Before we end, here's a quick bonus command. CLS, press enter. This instantly clears the command prompt screen. Simple but satisfying. So now you know 10 CMD commands that actually matter. Commands that save time, solve problems, and make you use Windows like a pro. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful Windows tips.